Today's all about the red, white, and blue, and I have some fun crafts you can do this 4th of July. Let's get to it. We are going to start with this poster board. This is just from Dollar Tree, a piece that I had left over. I'm going to trace this bowl. You can do any size bowl you want, larger, smaller, medium size, it's okay. I'm going to cut it out, of course, and cut off the excess from the outside of the line. Now I'm going to start drawing a line. This is just going to be a swirl line, and it's going to go all the way down to the middle of it. Do you see how I'm leaving about 3/4 of an inch in between the other line? Just keep going all the way to the center. This is going to make it look like a swirl. Once it's done, I'm going to flip it to this back, and I'm going to draw lines in the back. I'm just going to use the thickness of my ruler to make some lines. Then I'm going to paint the lines. So I want one to be red, white, red, white. Of course, we don't have to paint it white because the poster board is white. So I'm just going to do this, and I am using Waverly chalk paint in the crimson red. However, you can also use markers if you want. While that's dry, I'm going to take the poster board again, and I'm just going to draw. I'm just going to freehand a star. This is the best version of a star I can do. And that's okay. Of course, we want to cut that off. If you have something already with the shape of a star, you can use that. Now you can paint this one blue. I'm going to use marker just to show you how it also works out. If you have acrylic markers, even better. You can also use crayons. I think that would work too on the matte side of the poster board. All right, so we're just going to finish this star up. And then, of course, there's no drying time. So quickly, after it's colored in, I am going to poke a hole in it because we want to attach this jute string. And you can use ribbon too, or rope, string, whatever you have. I'm just going to tie it in a simple knot. Now that the plate is dry, now I'm just going to start cutting through those lines we made earlier. Again, this is just going to look like a swirl. Just keep going, keep cutting as you need. Once it's all cut, you want to then poke a hole on this one as well, right at the center point, right there in the middle. And then you're going to tie the other end of the string to it, just like we did with the star. We're creating a cute little fun piece you can hang outdoors. And of course, this is just going to make it go around and around and look so adorable. Oh my word, how easy was this to make? Love it. Let me know what you think down in the comments. For this next Dollar Tree DIY craft, we are going to take these super large popsicle sticks and these little tiny ones from Dollar Tree. I'm going to cut about 1/3 of the small ones because this is what we're going to use to attach the 3 ones. I'm using hot glue. You can use any other glue you want. It's just hot glue kind of works quicker for me. All right, so once everything's attached, we're going to paint the sticks red. We're using the same paint that we used earlier. Now you can also use crayons on markers. Now this is a larger piece, so it'll take a little longer if you use those, but it's okay. You can use that as well. All right, so while that's drying, I am going to take this piece of paper. This is just one I had at home from a pack from Dollar Tree. I'm just going to cut out a triangle. That's it. Then I'm going to take my shape puncher and I am going to create some stars. This is vinyl. Dollar Tree also has vinyl, but this is just one I had at home from Cricut. So I'm just going to use my shape puncher. You see that it's so easy. You just punch it, remove it from the bottom, and then you have little tiny star stickers. So I'm just going to keep applying these stars right on the blue paper. Of course, this is going to make it look like the American flag. I'm going to cut off the excess from that top one. And then we're going to attach to the now dry popsicle sticks. We're going to add glue, and then of course we're going to attach it there. All right, so this is where we're going to add some of this string. I'm adding double-sided tape to the bottom. That way it's going to be sticky on both sides. And we're going to continue to add the string one at a time. This is going to allow it to look like the engine, like fires coming out of it. Once all of them are attached, I'm just going to add now one-sided tape, so just regular clear tape. This is going to cover the sticky part, and then I'm going to curl the string. How adorable is this? Oh my word, you can make as many as you want, and you can give them out at the parties, whatever you want. Let me know what you think down at the bottom. For this next Dollar Tree DIY craft, we're going to take 5 popsicle sticks, of the small ones of course, and I am going to start making stars with them. I'm going to make a total of 3 of them. Now you just want to create one that looks like an A, kind of like that, you see that? And then we're going to crisscross the other, just like making a star when you're drawing it, except we're doing it with the popsicle sticks. And then I'm going to create 2 additional ones. And now that they're nice and shaped and put together, I'm just going to paint them. I'm going to paint one of them white. I'm going to paint the other one blue. And of course, the other one red. Now you can do any colors you want. And then we're going to set them to the side to dry. While those are drying, I'm going to take a ribbon this is white. You can take any color ribbon. Red or blue would look great as well. And we're just going to hot glue each star right there. So we're going to start with the red at the bottom, the white one in the middle, and the blue one on top. A little hot glue goes a long way. Again, you can use any glue you want. I don't know how well the ribbon will attach to it. You can also try to staple it if that works. All right, so now we're going to loop one end with a little glue. This is how we can hang it. How gorgeous is this? Such an easy craft. The kids will love making the stars with this one. And what a great way to spend time during your 4th of July weekend. Love it. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments. I have another video here for you with tons more of Dollar Tree DIY crafts inspiration. Check it out. I'll see you later and have fun crafting.